They say you only have one chance to make a good first impression. And if you're starting a new business, a newsletter, a blog, and you want to reach new subscribers, you want that first impression to be a great one. And Simplified has the tools to help make that happen. If you jump down here to our AI assistant, start with a template, and from here you can see a variety of templates to choose from. In this case, we're looking for our welcome email. You can also find it by searching here. Click on that and fill in the prompts. Pick your language, put in your business name, and provide a description of your business or the services your business provides. Click Generate, and there you go. Click Generate a couple more times just to expand the variety of your options. Once you have a few that you like, you can click the heart icon to add as your favorites. You can copy to a clipboard and paste wherever you like, delete the ones that you don't like, or click these three dots to edit. You can also edit by clicking the post itself if you'd like to make the post even more your own. And there you have it, your own personalized, custom-made welcome email curated just for you using Simplified's AI assistant to help you make a great first impression to your future followers, fans, and customers. For more tips and tricks on how to create business-savvy emails with the aid of Simplified's AI assistant, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.